So or such. My students are blank smart. So smart. Smart is an adjective. Before an adjective only, use so. So is followed by an adjective. They are such smart students. Smart is an adjective. Students is a plural noun. If followed by an adjective and a noun, use such. He is blank a smart student. Smart is an adjective. A student is a noun. Use such. He is such a smart student. This movie is blank sad. Sad is an adjective only. Use so. This movie is so sad. This is blank a sad movie. Sad is an adjective and movie is a noun. Use such. This is such a sad movie. I have blank beautiful flowers. Beautiful flowers are an adjective and a noun. Use such. I have such beautiful flowers. The flowers are blank beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective only. Use so. The flowers are so beautiful. This video is blank helpful. Helpful is an adjective. Use so. This video is so helpful. It is blank a helpful video. Here we have helpful as an adjective and video as a noun. So are you going to use so or such? Tell me in the comments. Thank you.
Do you need help with your English? If you need help, I create individual video lessons just for you. Your personal English lesson includes up to 5 personalized corrections, clear explanations and natural examples, a custom grammar or vocabulary exercise with real-life examples, a listen and repeat audio drill, and a feedback on your improved second version. The communication is via email or WhatsApp. You can order your personal video lesson by sending an email to info@englishwithalina.com or click the link in the bio. Thank you!